Hi guys, Samuel Gary here, but I want to show you how to go to Jim Thorpe with the Portland to Jim Thorpe. You can see all the diesel trays are moving. There's a diesel road car. Nice one. Let's pay. Look at that regular schedule. It has a diesel train over there. Look at that. That's a very nice one. It's right out of the station. Let's click there. Yeah, you can see. Look at this. The diesel road car is a very nice one. You can see the diesel road car is the big one. It's very huge. And there's other diesel train that have pull coaches. This is very nice. The three road cars, very nice one. They pull coaches. What time? The diesel train will be from Portland Station at 9:28 a.m. Arrive at Jim Thorpe. The train will come back at 3:45 p.m. Return to Jim Thorpe at 5:30 p.m. And you can see a new diesel train. It's a very nice one. It's very huge. And look at this. There's a nice diesel train. The big diesel car. The passengers are on board. Alright, you have any questions, just let me know. Alright, please sure to like, subscribe, and leave the comments below. Okay? I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.